Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 salt.
So, what exactly is a poke bowl? It's poke, a Hawaiian dish started as fishermen's chopped seasoned fish over rice. Simple, fresh, customizable. Here's the anatomy step by step. Base, warm sushi rice, brown rice or mixed greens. Rice gives comfort, greens keep it light. Protein, ahi, tuna, salmon, cooked shrimp, crab, tofu, or grilled chicken. Aim for bite-sized cubes. Marinade, shoyu, sesame oil, rice vinegar, a touch of honey, mirin, green onion, grated ginger, and garlic. Optional heat, racha or gochujang. Toss gently, let it sit 5-10 minutes. Mix-ins, cucumber, edamame, radish, sweet onion, mango, pineapple, seaweed salad. Toppings, furikake, nori flakes, toasted sesame, scallions, pickled ginger. Crispy onions, masago, tobiko, sauce drizzle, spicy mayo, mayo plus sriracha and lime, ponzu or yuzu vinaigrette. Go light so the fish still shines. Assembly, base down, protein on, surround with mix-ins, finish with toppings, controlled drizzle. Eat immediately so the rice stays fluffy and the veg stay crisp. Sit back and enjoy. I know you will.
For the best poke bowl, go to the Rose and Ivy, next door to the Opera House in the center of downtown Sarasota.